One of the things that we really focus on here is sustainability and just sort of kind of giving back to the environment, giving back to the community. The birds. We have 160 nest boxes, and the nest boxes are so that they have a place to nest and raise their chicks. And because they like, if they were sort of out in the wild, they would nest in hollow trees. Well, you don't see too many hollow trees in a vineyard. So what we're doing is providing what is equivalent to a hollow tree for them to have their nests in, and they like it, and they hang out and raise their babies and come back and raise more and eat more insects. So you can kind of see they make these grass nests, and they're sort of feather lined and kind of cute. I went through and did a survey of the nest boxes this winter, and I'd say probably half of them had nests in them. And some of them actually, probably a quarter of them were just recently installed, and even those got inhabited pretty quickly.